You are listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2026, and we are looking ahead to an active trading session as the opening bell approaches. Overnight, Asian markets delivered a mixed but resilient handoff to global investors. In Tokyo, the Nikkei finished up 0.1%, briefly crossing the historic 70,000 mark for the first time ever. This milestone came despite the Bank of Japan raising its key interest rate by 25 basis points to 1%, its highest level in over 3 decades. Meanwhile, South Korea's Kospi hit a new record, surging 2.1%. However, Hong Kong was a clear laggard, with the Hang Seng declining between 1 and 2%, following soft economic data from China. This weakness in Chinese equities is carrying over, with the China Large Cap Exchange Traded Fund slipping 1.54% in U.S. pre-market trading. As European markets trade actively in their morning session, U.S. futures are signaling a quiet start, remaining essentially flat versus yesterday's close. S&P 500 futures are down a mere 0.08%, Nasdaq 100 futures are up 0.05%, and Dow futures are up 0.02%. While equity futures drift sideways, the commodities market is showing significant movement. Oil continues its sharp decline, with crude futures dropping more than 2% to $79.13. and the Oil Exchange Traded Fund sliding 2.72% in early trading. Conversely, gold remains a strong safe haven, with futures ticking up 0.33% to $4,366, extending yesterday's robust rally. The massive catalyst driving this market rotation is Monday's tentative peace agreement between the United States and Iran, which could lead to the reopening of the crucial Strait of Hormuz. The prospect of normalized global energy flows sent oil plunging on Monday and sparked a major tech-led relief rally on Wall Street. The S&P 500 rose 1.65%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite surged 3.07%. Beyond the macro headlines, SpaceX made history on Monday with its highly anticipated initial public offering. Originally priced at $135, the stock surged nearly 20% on its debut to close at $192.50, and it has climbed another 10% in this morning's pre-market. Biotech also saw major breakthroughs, with Intellia Therapeutics skyrocketing over 23% yesterday on positive clinical trial data, though it has eased slightly this morning. As we head toward the open, keep a close eye on the semiconductor sector. Micron, which surged over 10% on Monday, is continuing its march higher, up nearly 3% in the pre-market. On the downside, Tesla is giving back some gains, down about 1.6% before the bell. Meanwhile, Amazon is showing strength, ticking up 0.72%. Looking further out, all eyes are beginning to turn toward tomorrow's highly anticipated Federal Open Market Committee meeting, which will be the first under new Federal Reserve Chair Kevin Warsh. That's your pre-market briefing from Seven Horns AI. Good luck out there today. Visit sevenhorns.ai for more.